Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your brows without trimming it. The first thing you need is your sharpened brow pencil, your spoolie brush and your concealer. After combing your brows, you need to measure the beginning of your brows, the arc and the end of your brows. Then you go in with a sharp pencil. You start drawing your pencil from the tip of your hair, where your hair ends from. Then you draw a straight line. You go in at the arc, then you come out at the end of the brows. You see the way I just did it. Then you go over to the top of your brows. You leave a little bit of space, then you start drawing the brow. You don't start drawing your brows from the beginning of the brow. Then after drawing it, when you get to the arc, you join it at the end. Then you fill your brow. You can see the way I just did it. Then after filling your brows, you comb it. Then you go over to the second side, you comb it, then you do the same process. Please make sure that when you are drawing your brow, you work with a very sharp pencil. When you feel that your pencil is blunt, please you can sharpen it again before you proceed. You continue filling your brows. Then when you get to the front, you try to draw a stroke to fill in the front of your brows. Then you comb it as well to clear all the lines, to make sure that there are no space that are not filled with pencil. Make sure you do that gently till you are there. You measure your brows again to be sure that you drew it perfectly before you proceed to concealing. Here I use a shade of concealer that is a little bit lighter than my skin. Then I start concealing from the arc of my brows. You can see the way I'm doing it gently. Please make sure that you follow the line that you drew in concealing your brows. Make sure you follow the line gently. You can apply more concealer on your angled brush in order for it to be more precise. Then I use a concealer that is my skin tone to conceal the front of my brows. After concealing the base of my brow, I blend the concealer with a blending brush. Then I go over to the top of my brow. You can see that I didn't start concealing my brows from the beginning. In concealing the top of my brows, I use a concealer that is my skin tone to conceal the top of my brows. The one I use to conceal the front of my brows in the lower part. You continue concealing until you are satisfied by following the lines that you've already drew in order to get a perfect finish. Then you go with your blending brush to blend all the concealers on top of your brows. You blend and continue blending until you're okay. I go in with my blending brush again in order to blend the concealer. Make sure you blend the concealer very well so that you don't have a harsh line on your brows. Then I go over to the second brow. Repeat the same process till I'm done. Here is the finished look of both brows. You can see. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye.